Good morning, all. This is one of the other sessions which we are organizing to talk uh, about Sailotech as an organization whom I'm representing. My name is Karthik Chintalpati. I have been in this consulting business for the past 20 years and have been working around the globe with multiple customers on the manufacturing, assembly, finance, and the pharmaceuticals. This particular session is a short session that uh, I want to take you through the Silotech. Uh, at Silotech, we talk about technology-driven transformation, which is primarily the key essential uh, requirement from the organizations and the enterprises across the globe. Uh, because the technology landscape is changing, it's modernizing, it's moving very fast. To cope up with that, you need to have a strong partner who can help you against the technology with controlled growth, streamlined operations, and enhanced resilience. Uh, Very importantly, the data is going to be the key in the next couple of years as it comes. It includes the AI adoption of AI/ML. The movement, the way it's happening from an automation-driven enterprise architecture to an architecture which is more autonomous. We get into multiple services, including the consulting, the re-engineering, modernization, and of course, support continuous endeavor with the customer in ensuring that the deployed technological landscape is yielding the results as supposed to be versus, of course, the civilization as I talked about. Uh, we are headquartered in Maryland, which is quite Columbia, Maryland. That's where our headquarters is. I have a delivery center in India, in Hyderabad, and we even have a delivery center from UK through which we cater to the European sector as well. So that's about Silotech. Uh, Very important part is why we should be considered as a preferred partner is our thought process to be a co-partner with the organizations, which where there should be the lead time to deliver should be very short. So there should be the digital readiness. Uh, Additionally, like when you have, it's not about just the delivery; it's about adaptability and taking up the responsibility as well, which is which makes us quite centric to the customers in terms to the engaging with them. Leadership, very strong leadership, which comes with a lot of technical background and the domain expertise comes in is the consultants that work at Silotech, they are from the domain. They speak, they are not just the technical experts, but they are the specialists who talk about, who have worked in the environments that you are in, where they can understand how, say, from the ERP landscape, how user or how industry looks into it, uh, and how to yield the best results. That's what the leadership. It's headed by Suresh Babu, who is our managing director. Uh, Most of the customers that we have been engaged, we've been associated with them for like I have a very strong reputation of not losing a single customer till date, for whatever the reason it could be. Versus we have different models of engaging with the customers, whether it could be delivery based, project based, versus we even engage in offering staffing solutions and even talk about the run the EORs, the employee on record kind of transactions, also with the customers. Transformation, technical side of it, very strong on the cloud, big data, IoT. Innovations, we get into those workshops, understand the customers, and basis of that, the technical landscape is designed and architected, and the solution is manifested, which brings in very close to the customers' capabilities and the expectations. The industries that we have worked with, I don't want to insist about the industries that we intend to work with, but we are very strong with is distributions, automotive, construction, finance, aerospace, defense, pharma, hospitality, and the research side of it. Research is something which is we have many good associations across the globe when customer focus is more into the R&D specialization, and they need the state of art technology endeavors to actually support their research and ensure that the quality process, the output and the outcome process is well captured and articulated. The comprehensive services portfolio, if I start on the left, you can see that we are very strong with the implementations, the rollouts, migration, upgradation. We have a program of a 12-week go live program that we are very strong with from the framework driven that kind of program. Middleware and business integration services is the new norm for transformation, where customers the way the whole architecture revolves, it's no more an application specific, but more on the interface of the integration layer. Custom development also, because there are a lot of landscapes where customers' legacy systems are still utilizing the old technology where it needs to be modernized. So we work on that, and we understand that being on cloud, it's important to be as standard and as vanilla as possible. So there is a custom opportunity to build these kind of agents or the custom solutions. So we have the capability on Java, .NET, other open source like Udo. Then we work on the DevOps, and is another part of it where this continuous development and the deployment opportunities are taken care of. Infrastructure services, again a big size of the Sailotech revenue we receive from the infrastructure services, whether it could be on the database side or the data center services or cybersecurity part of it. Very essentially, cybersecurity is a new norm where every customer intends to invest upon. We are building up, we have a very strong delivery and the support team to take care of the cybersecurity. Cloud transformation, again, it comes with its own mechanism and this part of and the challenges where to overcome that. So it can be a combination of application migration or integration or security or the testing part of it. Three platforms that we have, which I'll be talking in the next slide. Services could be on the analytics, IoT, machine learning, RPA, data lakes. Very important, the last section here is center of excellence we have on the various ERPs, Oracle services, Infor services on the cloud suite, SAP, HANA, and the latest version. Workday, again, is one of the ones which is picking up very strong. We are into AWS and Azure services, of course, followed with data sciences and data engineering. Few of the products which we have built, which are from the accelerators as well in terms of our offering, are Test Ensure, which is a data-driven business process validation platform, which is very essential for every organization to be prepared in advance. iCapture is a AP, accounts payable automation platform, very sophisticated and highly driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Shop floor manager is something which is core into the shop floor, which works really well with the assembly manufacturers and the semiconductor manufacturing, which brings in a lot of transparency and the traceability to the stakeholders. Uh, the operational technology, which is more machine tech, is something where you can monetize uh, data from the machines to track the inefficiencies, downtimes, to minimize the reworks and the waste. So thank you for your time. Do let us know. We will be looking forward for you to get in touch with us to extend our best services. Thank you.